Welcome to Automation Fair 2024 here in sunny Anaheim, California. I'm Amanda Joshi, Managing Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine. I'm here today with John Oskin and Greg Jackson. And Greg, I would like you to tell me more about your company and what you guys are highlighting here today.
Sure. It's great to see you, and thanks for taking the time to stop by and get up to speed on what we're doing. So SmartSights is a long-term Rockwell partner, so we've had relationships in place, literally for 20 plus years, going back through Excel Reporter and Win911, which are two core capabilities that we have, and then we undertook a rebranding effort about a year ago, and so we've put everything under the SmartSights umbrella. In terms of working with Rockwell, we're excited about the industries that we collectively serve. So we've put a big emphasis on targeting certain applications for industries, life sciences, food and beverage, oil and gas, CPG, water and wastewater are key markets that we've served historically with Rockwell. And we continue to work with the Rockwell product management teams to make sure that we have the right connectivity into the systems in a secure way, so that we can deliver applications on top of Rockwell solutions quickly, safely, and securely to customers. It's a lot.
Thank you, Greg. And John, what is it that SmartSight has that, with working with the Technology Partner Program, what are the benefits I know Greg mentioned some already, but what are some of the other benefits and applications that, SmartSights can go into?
So with some of the newly acquired offerings with SmartSights, we have a set of offerings that really helps accelerate a lot of the Rockwell deployments, and specifically in the verticals that Greg had mentioned, food and beverage, CPG, wet water, and life sciences, for example. We've got specific tools that can really help accelerate initiatives in those industries. So.
Is there anything new that are added to the software that you're mentioning to people here at the show?
Sure. So one of the newest ones, the industry knows the SmartSights Win911 offering very well, and now they have another offering called Peer, which really takes the Win911 offering, moves it into issue management. So with Win911, customers can have alerts and notifications associated with their SCADA systems. That gets coupled in with Peer now to then track what is being done to address those issues. So again, think issue management. So it's a great additional functionality that's being now offered to the Win911 product suite. So.
And Greg, can you tell me more about what you guys have that's different this year at the show?
Yeah, it's a great question. So one of the things we're really excited about, with Automation Fair is the opportunity to get with distributors and the systems integrator community. And we've spent a lot of time and effort over the last 12 months really making it even easier to install, configure, and deploy our systems. One of the things that we've heard from customers is time to value is such a big deal to them. So we spent a lot of time talking to systems, in particular the systems integrator community. How can we make it easier for you to deploy the products, which makes it ultimately easier for the customers to get to value of using our solutions faster?
That's some great information, and thank you again for your time today, and I appreciate that. And I would like to say welcome again to Automation Fair 2024. I'm Amanda Joshi, Managing Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine. Thanks for watching.